In the previous video, I have taught you how to do demographical based targeting, and in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to do interest based targeting in Facebook ads. So stay tuned with the video. And hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you guys are doing great. Let's directly jump into Facebook ads account and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now, I'm in my Facebook ads account, and this is the campaign creation process. I'm into my campaign level. Let me go to my directly ad set level so that I can show you. Let me go a little bit down, and here if I scroll a little bit down here, you'll be able to see detailed targeting option, and here we get demographical based, interest based, and behavioral based targeting. So I've already shown you and taught you about demographical based targeting, what is demographical based targeting and how you can do the targeting. Right now we'll be talking about interest based targeting. Well guys, interest based targeting is one of the most widely used detailed targeting option in Facebook ads, because Facebook is a social media platform and most of the people shows their interest on social media, that I'm interested into this, I'm interested into this, right? I'm interested into that. And that's how Facebook understand that this particular person is interested in these kind of things, and we can show them these kind of ads, right, related to those interests. So how you can do interest based targeting? You have to first click on this browse icon, browse button, and here you get three options. We have already talked about demographics. Now we'll be talking about interest. So in interest we have tons of option over here, right? If we expand one by one, we will be able to see sub options as well, right? So first option starts with business and industry. So who is interested in business and different kind of industries can be targeted from directly here, like advertising industry, agriculture industry, right? Then architecture, aviation. So these are the options are available in business and industry, right? So if you are interested into aviation, then you can be targeted directly from here. Now we have entertainment as well. In entertainment we have many options like games, live events, movies, musics, reading, TV, and even in games you can target different type of game options, gaming options: action game, board game, then card game, casino game, first person shooter game, gambling, and so tons of options are here. You can target according to yourself, not for yourself, according to your business idea, right, according to your business niche. Then after game we do have live options, live event. In live event we get ballet, bars, concert, then dance halls, music festivals, nightclubs and bars who are interested into partying, nightclubs, nightlives. So that type of person can be targeted directly from here, right? Then let me uncheck this box. Yeah, after live events we do have many other option in live events as well, like parties, plays, theater. So after live events we get movies options. So in movies also we get many options like action movies, animated, anime, then Bollywood movies, comedy movies, documentary, drama, musical. So tons of option are here. Then after let me yeah after movies we do have music. In music we do have blue music, classical music, country music, dance, electronic, heavy metal music, hip hop, jazz music, pop, rhythm, and blue music. So again, many options are here, but the thing is you have to find out that which type of audience is perfect for my business, right? What are the interest and what are the other things can be identical to a person who is interested in my business, right? So you have to think about those things first, then you have to do your targeting, right? Whether it is demographical based targeting, interest based targeting, or behavioral based targeting. First you have to think about it. Now once it's done, let me close to the movies. After movies we have music, then reading. In reading we also get many options like books, comics, ebooks, fictions. So tons of option are here. Then in TV option we also get TV, reality show, game show, talk show. So yeah, so this was all about entertainment. In family and relationship we also get many options like different kind of relationships you will be able to see, like parenting, motherhood, marriage, friendship, fatherhood, family. So yeah, you get other options in this family and relationship as well. Then if you have any kind of fitness and wellness product, then you can target these type of audience, like bodybuilding, sport, physical exercise, physical fitness, running, weight training, yoga. So these are comes under fitness and wellness. After fitness and wellness, we have hobbies and activities. In hobbies and activities, we also get many other subcategories, like art and music. In art and music, we get acting, craft, dance. So if you have a course who teaches how to do acting, so you can target these type of audience who are interested into acting, right? And if you have a course, or if you have an academy who teaches how to dance, so you can target these type of audience. So this is how you have to find your target audience, right? Now let me, so in hobbies we do have other options as well, like current events, home and garden. So if let's say a person who is interested into gardening, into furniture, or DIY thing, so these are the uh, interests which can be targeted, right? So let me, and yeah, then in pets, pets also we get many options, like birds, cats, dog, fish, horses, pet food, then rabbits, reptiles. Many options are here. In politics, then travel, and then vehicle. So if you are interested into travel, you are a travel freak, so this type of person can be targeted from here, right? And let's say you have a travel agency, so you can target these type of audience. I hope you understood the thing, right? Now let me close this one. This was all about hobbies, right? After hobbies and activities, we have shopping and fashion and sports and outdoors, right? And then at the end we have technology and computers. So let me just open shopping and fashion. In shopping and fashion, we also have many subcategories, like beauty. In beauty also we get many options: beauty salon, cosmetic, fragrances, hair products. Then in clothing we also get many options: children's clothing, men's clothing, women's clothing, shoes. Then we have this shopping option: boutique, coupon, and discount stores. Then luxury goods, online shopping, many options are here. Then toys are also here, right? Now after shopping and fashion, we have sports and outdoor. In sports and outdoor, we have only one subcategory, and in that particular subcategory we have many sports over here, right? So people who are interested into sports can be targeted. Then technology and computer. In technology and computer, we do have computer and consumer electronics. So in computer, many options are here related to only computer. And in consumer electronics, we get many electronical items, like gadget things, right? Ebook readers, GPS device, mobile device, portable media player, projector, smartphone, television. So many options are here, camcorder. So I hope you learned that how you can do interest based targeting. Now you might have a question that how Facebook gets to know that this people is, or this person is interested into these things. Well, as I already told you, that Facebook is a social media platform. Okay, okay, so people do activities, people shows interest on their social media accounts, social media platforms, right? They started showing their interest right from the day when they have created their account. You might remember that when you create your Facebook account, it asks for your interest and hobbies, like things, right? So when you shows, or when you fills those things, that this is my interest, this is my interest, so Facebook understand this person is interested into these things. And after creating your account, you spends on different things, watching videos, liking some photos, or reading some content on Facebook, right? So by those things, by understanding your behavior, understanding your content consumption, Facebook understand that this person is interested into this. Let's say, let's take an example. Let's say I am interested into gaming, right? So I'll be watching videos related to gaming, I'll be watching many gaming live streams, and I'll be watching or liking images, photos, and posts related to gaming. So Facebook will understand that this person is interested into gaming, and I'll be able to see ads related to gaming. So that's how Facebook understand that this person is interested into these things, right? I hope you understood that how you can do interest based targeting in Facebook ads, and this is one of the main or the majority of option which advertisers use in Facebook. So with that said, let's meet in the next video, but don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also don't forget to share the video with your needy friends, share the playlist with your needy friends who want to learn Facebook marketing. So I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.